Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Yesterday I made a video on this and I'm glad I didn't delete it because somebody asked me a question how I got these colors. Well, interactive fill tool, a little bit different in each case. This one I have sections of blue filled in. Need to do that, just back up. So I just filled in, this is actually too many. Tell you what, let's see if we can't ungroup one. I don't think that'll, no, that won't work. You know, if I just wanted one of these, this would be a good trick. Just take a 2-point line, then take your pick tool and expand that, and then draw one more. I'm just, I'll call that good enough. I'm just segregating and the Smart Fill tool created a new object instead of filling in all those. So let's make we'll keep it blue, but then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool set on that turquoise and just fill in these spots. And you'll find out if you go kind of in some sort of order, because I've done this a lot, or go around, you won't be backing up. Hit the line. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Now, because the dark blue is an object, I can move them out of the way. So I'm going to grab the blue, and that's a pretty cool pattern right there. It's kind of like invert. Let's group it together. And then we could use the interactive fill tool on it and use the elliptical and see it's kind of funky because there's so many colors. So let's don't use the interactive fill tool on that. Let's use the interactive fill tool on the blue. Grab that interactive fill tool. You're already set on the blue. Now use the elliptical and just kind of put that in the center. So you get, the further you go out with the blue, the white is going to will show up better. Now the other one I did, that's pretty cool, but I think it's better if I just do it without the background. So let me do this. Well, I got to back up. I want all the blue. I think it's better just with the background. We'll take this and make it, let's start off with yellow. You get the interactive fill tool, swipe across, go to elliptical, put it in the middle, and then go right here. It's like a preset, and most Corel shall have that. And look at that. Now you can still add more colors or less colors, but if we take a black box effect, go up to object order, back a page, you get that look. And you could, like I just said, you could change it up and, quite a bit. See, and just maybe add a burnt orange here. See how I changed it? Maybe a yellow here. I mean, it's doing it all the way kind of around. Let's put a red right there. Anyway, pretty cool geometrical pattern. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.